Hazel. What have you done again? You naughty girl. Naughty. What you done? What's this? Another quilt ruined. What's this? Hazel, what you done? This is naughty. Naughty girl. You bad girl. Don't give me that look. Naughty. What's this? What you done that for?
Now I'm going to freeze during the night time.
I'm not your friend now, Hazel. No. Bad girl. Are you even bothered? Hey? Are you even bothered? What you've done again? I've got no blankets left. Now I've got no quilts. 'Cause of you. Naughty girl.